Take on a less is more approach with Ecolam, a laminate flooring that's durable, budget-friendly, and 100% free of PVC. Made with a denser, more sustainable core, it uses fewer materials, creates less waste, and cuts down on transportation costs, making it better for the environment and perfect for any budget. Ecolam features Duoloc, a unique two-way installation system that can be installed using two methods: angle tap and angle. Installing Ecolam laminate floors is simple and only requires a minimal number of tools. This video is an overview of the angle tap method. It'll give you a good understanding of the steps required for a successful installation. For a more detailed guide, please follow the instruction manual. To start, these are the tools that you'll need for the installation. Now let's begin by preparing the subfloors for the installation, ensuring that they are stable and level. The surface of the subfloor should be clean and free of any debris. If installing over concrete, ceramic, vinyl, or linoleum, a vapor barrier is required. When you're ready to begin installing your floor, ensure that you set aside a bridge plank. This is an important tool that will help you align planks perfectly straight when tapping them together. A bridge plank doesn't have to be a full plank, but it should be at least 8 inches long. Installing Ecolam using the angle tap method is easy. The multi-lock locking system only requires tapping on the short end of the planks for a quicker installation. Now, begin by placing your first plank at the corner of the room. Lock the first and second plank together by lifting the second plank at a 30-degree angle and joining the short ends. Lower the second plank gently to engage the locking system, ensuring that the joints are tight. Slide the bridge plank into place between the first and second plank. Then, using a tapping block, gently tap on the short end to fully engage the locking system. Ensure that the tapping block is flat on the floor and parallel to the plank that you're about to tap. Do not skip this step and never tap directly on the planks. The locking system is precisely engineered to be used in this manner. Tapping directly on the planks will damage the planks and the locking mechanism. Continue in this manner until the first row is complete. Install the remaining rows following the same steps as the first row. To install a new plank in the second row, lift the plank at a 20 to 30 degree angle and link the long edge to the first row. Gently slide, then lower the plank into position. Do not tap against the long edge. Tapping on the long edge is not necessary, and doing so will damage the planks. Continue installing the remaining rows using the same method, making sure that you use the bridge plank and the tapping block to help you install the remaining planks. Once the laminate floors have been installed, remove the spacers and complete your project by installing the final details, such as matching threshold, moldings, and baseboard.